It only takes a split second for fireworks to injure, leaving burns, contusions, lacerations, and permanent scars. Most seriously affected are hands, eyes, face. Fireworks are unpredictable, easily mishandled, and misdirected. Each year, thousands of American adults and children are seriously maimed by fireworks. 50% of injured are under 15 years old. Small fireworks, rockets, sparklers cause the most damage. Safe? Reasonable? Consumer fireworks are neither. Consumer fireworks, an accident waiting to happen. Is losing your finger, your hand, or your eyesight really worth it? Fireworks are spectacular, but dangerous.
Please
leave fireworks to the experts.